हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 48 व्रेन एंड मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक से। टॉपिक moods and tenses. Choose the correct or more suitable forms of the verbs to fill in the blanks. The plane dashed at 3:30. The plane arrives at 3:30. I will phone you when he dash back. I will phone you when he comes back. When I get home, my dog dash at the gate waiting for me. My dog will be sitting at the gate waiting for me. I dash the Joshis this evening. I am visiting the Joshis this evening. Look at those black clouds. It dash. It is going to rain. The train dash before we reach the station. The train will have arrived before we reach the station. Perhaps we dash Mahabaleshwar next month. Perhaps we will visit Mahabaleshwar next month. Unless we dash, now we can't be on time. Unless we start, now we can't be on time. I dash into town later on. Do you want a lift? I will be driving into town later on. The next term dash on 16th November. Next term begins on 16th November. Oh dear, I dash. Oh dear, I am going to sneeze. By 2005, the computers dash many of the jobs that people do today will have taken over many of the jobs that people do today. I'm sure she will pass the exam. I dash home next Sunday. I am going home next Sunday. I dash you one of these days. I expect I will be seeing you one of these days. I expect. Help! I am going to fall. She has bought some cloth. She is going to make herself a blouse. I dash your house this afternoon. Just on my way home from work. I will be passing your house this afternoon. Hurry up. The program is about to start. This book is not long. I will have read it by lunchtime. This is your exercise number 48. Let's meet in exercise number 49. Till then, subscribe ASA Education.